Today we're working on Adam's car. We were supposed to be here like around noon, but what time is it? It's 3:20. We slept all morning, but whatever, we're here. Hopefully it doesn't rain because it's been raining all weekend. Two things to do today. Radiator. Adam's putting in a new Koyo Radiator. And what else? What else we got? The Fluidampr. The Fluidampr crank pulleys. So the reason why you want to change this out on the JZ is the stock one it's like a two-piece pulley, and sometimes with wear and tear these things can fly off while like drifting. I mean, if you're driving like normally, your JZ, it's fine, but with a lot of clutch kicks and a lot of heavy driving, I've had mine split apart. So this is a buy once cry once kind of thing, and it's kind of a pain in the butt to do because you have to take off everything, the radiator, the belts. But normally when you do a crank pulley, you do everything in the back maintenance wise, like cam seals, the water pump, the tensioner pulley. You pretty much refresh the whole front end, but today we're just doing the crank pulley because we're short on time. Actually, no, we're not short on time, but that's like for another time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, later you can take it off.
I think it's been replaced once already.
Yeah, so this crank pulley, it's an OEM one. It's new-ish, but it's not... You're more safe with the Fluidampr. And I like Fluidampr over ATI because I think ATI, you gotta get like serviced.
Something like that.
Yeah, you gotta get them serviced, and Fluidampr, you put it on and you set and forget.
Balance it too, I think.
Yeah, so Fluidampr is the way to go, I think. So Adam actually got the radiator out, the old one. Where's the old one?
Oh, over there.
Okay, that's the old one.
Yeah.
And meanwhile, I guess maybe we get the fans off. We can put it on the new radiator, and I guess I'll get to work on getting the old crank pulley off. Oh, the belt first. So that's on the agenda today. Hopefully we can finish before the sun goes down. The sun's already starting to set, so we got like an hour or two of sunlight. Bro, it's so late. Lay this down and lay that. To take off the serpentine belt, you need a 14 and a little bit of leverage. Oh, also, I already took some pictures of how this fan setup is, because if you don't run a AC compressor, it's a lot different. There's diagrams online, but yeah, just take a picture, that way you remember how the belt goes. Where's your big boy 22?
It should be in the...
This box?
No. 27. Is it 22?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
I have 22.
Oh. It all lines up perfect. You see, we got the little notches for the... You know where we're supposed to slide in?
Oh, okay, sweet.
It's pretty straightforward.
That's Koyo quality for you.
What happened?
This right here. I guess that's if you're running like a aftermarket radiator, or is it for different cars?
Yeah,
Because I have extra bolts.
I would think so. Maybe,
Probably, right?
Yeah, maybe if you're running like a E-fan setup,
That's what I
a
was
slim
thinking.
E-fan setup.
That's what I was thinking.
Well, that's cool that they give you the option to have more mounting points.
Yeah, because I have this too.
This one's not being used.
It's not even being used, bro.
Sweet. So we got our crank to top dead center. On these pulleys, that's really easy. There's only one notch and you get it to 0, and then you can start to get your crank bolt off. Typically you'd want to use like a weighted socket that helps like take off really high torque bolts, but we're just using a regular black one, and hopefully with our impact we're able to get it off. But if not, we might have to run the AutoZone to rent one out. For best results, make sure that your battery's fully charged, but I only have 2 bars. Hopefully that's enough to get it off. But this battery's really old, so I don't know how well it'll perform. Cool. We don't fit. Alright, so we're not gonna be able to use a gun. This thing still has a condenser, and there's no way we're taking that off, so we're gonna have to figure out how to take it off by hand now. The condenser's in the way.
Are you seeing that?
Yeah. Oh, that's fine. This, and we have a jack handle.
You want water or green tea? I have like the each one green tea, or like the big Costco water.
I'm down for green tea.
You want one?
I'll share with him. Thank you.
So the engine doesn't start to turn over. We're gonna put the car in gear. Actually, can I have you, Patricia, go in the car and press on the brake? Go in the car. Alright, let's try third. With the ratchet and the handle of the jack.
And this as well.
And these,
Ooh,
yeah. Ooh,
look at that.
ooh, stop. We got the crank bolt loose. Honestly, this is probably one of the easiest ones that I've seen get removed, because some dudes will have like a fucking like 10-foot pole, and they'll have like a weird setup where they put like a couple wrenches on the floor, they'll crank it. But no, just like from here, I would say like the here, I don't know how much of a turn that is degree wise, but we got it loose. That bolt got busted, so we got it back. It moved, the crank pulley moved a little bit, so now we're back at Hub Center. This bolt is loose, so let's get this thing off, because we gotta get a Adam bought a Pulley puller, and I don't know if it's gonna fit, because yeah, I completely forgot that he has AC in his car. I thought we were gonna have access to go in straight, so hopefully the puller doesn't get, or sorry, the condenser doesn't get in the way of the puller. Oh, you know what I forgot? Usually you change that bolt whenever you take it off. Yeah, kind of like a one-time use bolt, but it's fine. When he's gonna do all the maintenance stuff some other time, and he'll replace it then. It's only like a $13-14 bolt, but that's fine. Well, yeah, we should be all right. This is the bolt that you replace. Very specific to the Jz's.
It looks fine. It looks reusable.
It looks reusable. It's fine. It's fine. That's Adam's life motto. It's fine.
No, you gotta say it like how he says it.
He's fine.
It's fine.
He's fine. Okay, we got that. We're moving. I think this is okay.
It probably did flip around.
Okay. Let's see if I remember how to use one of these things. Find the right bolts to go in here. There's 2 spots where you can put a bolt inside the pulley. One here and then one over here.
Oh, that's a big juicy boy.
There's hella mosquitoes out, and I just grabbed this one out of the air. Right, Adam. Got that set up, and now he's gonna find the right socket or wrench to go around here. On mine, I put high temp grease inside here to make the removal of the pulley, if I ever had to in the future, a little bit easier. We don't have high temp grease, but we have anti-seize, so it should work the same. Don't get it on you, because this shit gets everywhere. Oh, a little too much. Okay, that's on there. Okay. Now we put on our big boy bolt. I don't think you're supposed to use Loctite. I didn't use Loctite.
I don't think you're supposed
You're not supposed to, yeah. I don't know. Probably not. Fuck it.
Do Loctite with 400 foot-pounds?
Shit's never coming off. Okay, got that on. Now we're gonna have to put it in gear. When you're dealing with a new, really tight belt, you might need 2 hands, one person to turn the tension to right and another to slip on the belt over the pulley. You know what? I think we did a good job. I think we did everything right. Adam made a good point. Some coolant might shoot out. We don't want to make a mess in the driveway. He already did a good job of taking the coolant out without spilling anything. So we're just gonna put it in the radiator. And before we fill it up, at least, we're gonna turn it on.
The fan has to go in first. Otherwise it will
that
never,
one?
yeah, or else it'll never go in.
All right, this is the moment of truth. We don't have any coolant, but we're gonna fire it up first to see if it turns on.
Oh, dude, it's a lot quieter.
Is it?
Yeah, because before I could hear like a not like a belt, but I could hear like something, like a little ticking, rattling.
It worked! We didn't fuck it up.
It's still running.
We can't celebrate just yet because we got to fill up the radiator with coolant. Or actually, no, since we're going to Thunderhill, they don't allow coolant, ethylene, glycol, whatever the fuck it's called. So we got to use water wetter and distilled water because, yeah, Thunderhill's rules. I didn't mention it, but in about 2 weeks from today, we're going to be going to Thunderhill for WISH Matsuri. WISH Matsuri is just like a bunch of friends in the NorCal area that is hosting an event. So Adam is taking his Cresta, and Pete, I think, he only has one car right now, so his S13. And then I'm going to be taking my S13 too because, yeah, I'm just taking the S13. That car's ready, and now Adam's car is ready. What else do you have to do to this car?
Just probably oil change and probably just trans oil.
Trans fluid, oil change, easy stuff. This was the biggest thing. This motherfucker was gonna wait till the last week to do it. We're 2 weeks from now, so luckily we got it out of the way. We're at Amazon Fresh because fucking Adam had half a gallon. I don't know why he thought that half a gallon was sufficient enough to fill up his radiator. So explain this cart. It's a dash cart.
You scan your Amazon and then when you put stuff in your cart, you can scan it. And then when you're ready to go, you just walk out the store.
Okay, so we got 4 for Adam and then 3 for me. Damn, that's a lot of bubbles. Okie doke. Car is put back together. Everything works. It didn't blow up. Job well done. What's next? Oil change. And drive. Ready for WISH. Well, this car's ready for WISH. I gotta check my car. Pete's gotta check his car.
Oh, it's probably a bolt check.
Oh, nut and bolt check. Yeah, that's important. Well, then that's ready for the journey. But cool.
Thank you.
All right. See you guys next time.